We at Domino's in Japan. We're having a hard time ordering because we don't understand. And it's not in English. Domino's has free delivery and we did not use it. They asked for a name and Jag freaking said his name was Omori.
It's the only one I know how to read.
Lauren's name is apparently K.
I think that's you over there. I think the last one's you. Last one's you.
I also got a new fan. I'm collecting them.
Got it.
Broken pieces. Don't leave me hanging with yourself.
There's a movie coming out called Jaga Jambae, means
Friendship is tiring.
Jaga is alive, which means Jag is alive. Which is obvious I'm alive, but like my friends keep tagging me in it, so I'm like, what the hell?
There's a Sailor Moon Castle shit thing, cafe, I don't know. Keep walking, Justin. These stairs are so little. My videos for today are just gonna be upstairs. You walking downstairs.
Alright, that's cool.
Excuse me? What? What does this mean? Why is this here? I got a burrito. This is so tiny. But that's okay, I guess. We just woke up because
fucking assholes.
What? Well, anyways, we just woke up because we're gonna go to a Shiba cafe in Harajuku. There's these noises outside. And there's like little kids. There's like a festival thing like outside our window. We're like not even in like the super open space in the middle of the city. Like we're just like in a random spot. Excuse me, what is that? We're going to the Shiba cafe to get a ticket and then we're gonna come back because it's always really crowded. And so they give you a ticket for a certain time that you can come back. And we're gonna play with doggies. You're getting chopsticks?
Okay, I got his name right. That sounds bad.
We're at the Shiba cafe. This is only for 30 minutes though. So cute. This is like the smallest one.
Somebody tried to lick my drink.
We're going to get revolving sushi. My favorite revolving sushi place. Even though it's not really revolving sushi.
It's cheap.
And it's like very fresh.
I know.
It's so good. Get some snacks and then go watch some fireworks. We got another big water bottle.
Football.
Is that what we're naming it?
We have to get closer to the river. We're not close enough. That's an hour and a half. So
An hour and a half? Wow, this is pretty freaking crazy. Everybody's just walking on the street at this point.
The road that goes down.
I know, but it's still pretty cool.
that's when they started.
Oh, I see. We're on the bridge right now, crossing the river. Oh my goodness, there's so many people. Oh my god.
I've never seen it through from the boat. Never seen it shot from the boat.
Oh, it's shot from the boat?
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
those are boats.
They were on a river.
I didn't know that.
That's why they're moving.
Oh shoot, that's...
Didn't you
Wait,
see
what
them
do you mean moving?
moving?
Oh, going farther?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why it's getting blocked by the train.
And if a disaster happens, at least it's not on land. Nothing catches fire. That's
on the water. And like the worst was sparks lands on the water.
Yeah.
In Vancouver, they always shoot from the water, and it's gorgeous. See the mountains.
She's Canadian. Tina's Canadian.
I have to wait 30 minutes until we can get home.
I know.
At least 30 minutes, probably way more than that.
Yeah. Watching fireworks makes me like really sleepy. And when I was little, I used to sit next to the window and just like look out the window and just watch the fireworks, and then I'd fall asleep.
And now make up.
I am so sweaty and sticky and
That's
sweaty.
That's pretty cool.
Literally, look at all the people that are in line. Let me just,
pretty damn.
let me pan it.
Pretty damn good.
Let me pan it. Look at that line to get out. It's just a lot. It's long. What are you guys doing?
I can't reach him. My thumb is too short. Look at how he's like pressed.
You can't fucking. Oh, that's cheating.
This is insane. This is how much trash is for the event, but it's so orderly. Like it's all in one spot. And then this is where everybody's just leaving and throwing away their trash while we go. We're trying to leave now. So many people, they have to block us off for a bit. What is this, Tina? It's butter, aka fat spread. Freaking fat spread. I can't believe it's not butter. It is butter, but it's fat spread, literally, because like butter is cow fat, right? Spread onto spread, and you get fat. Oh my goodness! We literally. There's a smile. What? This is so cute.